I'm Will Chihill, and this is the Will Chihill documentary, The Will Chihill Life. Oh yeah, that one's good. So I've never really done a show or anything. This is kind of cool. If you pay them $600, they do a whole documentary about you. It's my whole welfare check, but whatever. Just wanted to show, wanted to see how it works, and it's cool. So we got this mango 100% juice blend. Because my wife, she just doesn't like me eating unhealthy, but we got these sour smog balls, crunchy candy with a sour chewy center, blah blah blah. This is light, you know. So I'm just gonna open these up because, oh yeah, that'll be good. You know, if you ever asked me, Will Chihill, what's the way you like to live? This is the way I like to live. You know, there's nothing else to life. Just enjoy life. You know, life ends fast, and just do that. You know, sometimes, you know, kids come up to me and they say, Will, you know, you better get in the gym, or how do you get so huge, or whatever. Say, you know, life's too short, and it's always there. You know, I can always, you know, get the hustle on, or whatever they call it. It's always there. I'll always, you know, it's always there, so I can do it whenever I want. Kids be coming up to me all the time. They say, you know, Will, how do you get big? Like, I want to get big, and I'm in the gym, and I'm trying to get muscle, and I tell them, you got to eat big to get big. Otherwise, you ain't getting big. You got to be eating sour smog balls and order fast food, whatever it takes, you know. There was a period where I was on the grind and stuff, and it was good, but you know, I miss my analog horror series and and my Netflix, you know. And that's the point of life. Just live and consume, and yeah, man. Like, welfare checks, money, we chillin', man. In Canada, we chillin'. You know, if you try to go to college, go to university, the government's going to take half of that money, and there's just no point. There's no point even trying. So, either get super rich somehow, or live the Will Chihill life. Oh, hey, babe! Babe! Oh, she's at work. Oh, man. Oh, it's everywhere. Alright, guys. Okay, are we done with this? The new analog horror series came out. I can't replay this. Oh, man, it's freaking trash. Oh. Hello? Yeah, can I get a Big Mac and something that's from Tim Hortons? I don't know what it's called. Yeah, get the wings from the Boston Pizza. Only the one down the street, nothing else. Alright, 20 minutes? Alright, thank you. I leave my phone there because if I don't and I leave it in my room, there's this one time where I scrolled nonstop for 12 hours. You cannot resist the doom scrolls, man. And my wife hates it, you know. She gets back from work and she has no idea where I am, and I had nothing. There's nothing in the fridge. Rice, watermelon, chicken, ew. Oh, for frick's sakes, man. Oh, I can't reach. Oh, okay. Really? That runs away fast, doesn't it? Money. Sooner and sooner. It feels like sooner and sooner to me. I'm only 26 years old, so it's like, whatever, man. It doesn't matter. You know, sometimes people like come up to me and they're like, yo, Will, or even people that I play on the video games with, they're like, yo, Will, you gotta touch some grass, man. Like, this is for real. You know, you gotta touch the outdoors and go somewhere in life. And I'm like, okay. Does that help you? People, they're just boring. Like, oh, this is my wife's. I don't know. She does this weird indigenous whatever it is. So I don't know. I respect it though. You know, like, God's there, and you don't want to disrespect Him. At least is one thing. You know? So we got all these stupid nicotine patches everywhere because my wife's trying to quit smoking. Peanut butter. Man, like, people won't understand the grind, you know. I'm watching these analog horror series, these new show series, you know, 12 hours a day. It's nonstop, man. It's nonstop. You guys know Alan Becker, he's coming back with a new animation versus animator part 13 or something. I don't know what it is, but I gotta watch it. You know, I don't take days off, and my wife's like, man, I'm gonna divorce you soon, or she says all these weird things that don't mean anything. You know, when women say no, it really means yes, and all that crap. But I always tell her, like, the shows don't stop, you know. So, and the video games, like, if I stop playing video games, who's gonna play the video games? You know. Just... Oh. Alright, so I'm loading up my video games here because I'm not even that much of a video gamer anyway. Like, I'm kind of just chill with it, you know. Oh, the internet's not working. Hold on. So I play, I used to play this game. I'm Sedate Sloth 1066. I'm one of the biggest guys in this game, so fear upon me. If you ask for my autograph, you know, it's always there. I'll give you it. It's fine. It's like, whatever. This guy, you know, well, these games you need VR for. Like, I don't know why it says that Minecraft is PSVR. It doesn't make any sense. No. Shift left. Oh, I think I know what that is. Get out of here. You're nothing. Oh, yeah. Alright, so... This is... The bag's all weird. I don't know why it is. Sometimes they get weird like that, but... Tell you what, guys. Oh, come here. Here, let's put it down for now. It's not fast food. It's not fast food. Because it took 1,000,000 years to get here. So it's slow food. So we're good, right? Like... And pause. Oh, alright, I'm done with this. Watch something. I seriously can't replay this, so you guys got to get out of here. So, like, you know, everyone's all about being outside. They're like, oh yeah, it's so great to be out here. It's like, it's so great to be watching my analog horror series. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh, it's stuck. Stupid bag. Oh. This is what I like to call my weight station. I work out about, you know, once or twice a month. So I think sided shoulders. So I think I'm gonna do some arms. Alright. Okay. I know what you guys are thinking. Will, you're a lazy bum for not finishing a third or a quarter of your workout. But it's for a good purpose. The new analog horror series came out. I have to see it. The new Doors and the new Vita Carnus came out, so I gotta. Alright, I need some chips. I need some chips to go with this new analog horror series. My wife's gonna come back soon, unfortunately. Man, that woman, when she comes into a room, she just sucks all the goodness out of it, all the fun out of the Are you kidding me? No chips? Oh, you gotta be freaking kidding me, man. There's no way there's no chips in here. Think of it. It's still healthy. It's only potatoes and oil. Think about that. Whatever, I'll just starve. Oh. Only eat chicken. You should only eat rice. The rice only diet. But I know one thing though, is that there's no other way to live. This is the way to live right here. Watching my analog horror, right? My other series stuff. Alright. The Backrooms, 2026 Backrooms makes sense. So full-time consumer, I'm just yeah, so I'm tired. Okay, are we done? But you can never go wrong with living the Wiltshire Hill life. Oh, no signal? Are you kidding me? Alrighty, so get this. For some reason, the TV's not working. There's no signal, and the Coin-O-Matic thing is not working. So our laundry is gross clothes, and then my wife's not here to fix it. Are you kidding me? There's all this talk about how everyone's missing out. Nobody's missing out. I'm not missing out. There's no... The people who are at the beach in the sun, when it's sunny out like this, like, whatever, They're not having fun. They're not. It's just the truth, right? So, they're just not having fun. Like, what are you gonna do? Swim? Like, it's just dumb. Okay, get this. You see what I'm thinking? It's summer outside, but it's winter. You know what I'm saying? It's winter all year round, baby. This stuff don't stop. My analog series, my freaking Coco, and all that shit. Door open. I think my baby's home. I gotta see my wife. Hold on a sec. Oh. Oh, for Pete's sake, are you kidding me? Alright. Oh, so what's this? It's a chores list. She gave me a list of things to do. This is your list of things to do and the things that you can't do. Like, what? Do the laundry. Can't do that. The Coin-O-Matic isn't working. Tidy the boot room. Okay, you know what? I don't think she understands it, but, the way my muscles work and the way, I need to be watching my analog horror series, it's just not going to click. Like, if I am disconnected from my room and my, my space, my analog horror series, understanding is going to go down. And my muscles, they ain't going to grow because I'll be overtraining them. And I got to understand, all the analog horror stuff. Like, what if I end up in the back rooms, Like, she doesn't understand this. Oh, this is already clean. What am I even supposed to do with this? Alright, so my wife told me that I need to create a rock bottom log journal. And I was like, what? You mean like horror logs? Or she's like, no, it has nothing to do with your quote unquote stupid analog horror log thing. And I was like, what are you talking about? Like, this is where it's at, Like, this is what humans were meant to do, like have desires and like novelty and make things. And anyway, she said make a rock bottom log. And I was like, I'm not even at rock bottom. What are you talking about? She's like, you totally are. I was like, what do you mean? She said like, you're lying about the gym, which is not true. And then she said, you don't have anything together, you're living off of welfare checks. And she said, you're ugly. And I was like, no, stop there. I am the dime of this city, alright? Like, I'm not ugly, okay? And I almost broke up with her for that, but I didn't. So she said, you're 26, you're not going to college, you're not doing anything, which is like, college is stupid. And she's like, you don't have any purpose. And I'm like, I have tons of purpose. And I don't know, she kept on babbling about things that aren't true and all this stuff. But like, she said rock bottom log. I was like, okay. So I did rock bottom log 1, which is, I like analog horror series, because she told me like, what are you struggling with? And I said, I want to watch my analog horror series, but the world wants me to go to work and it's stupid. I don't know. So But I know one thing though. It's that when there's a will, there's a way. That quote is a ride or die. Alright? So we ain't messing with that. And I'll see you guys in the next episode, whatever this documentary is. I don't know. See ya.
But you gotta take life seriously.